ma'am, welcome to Bison Restaurant. Are you holding a celebration? How many guests in your party, ma'am? Where do you want to sit, ma'am? Near the window, center, the smoking area, or non-smoking area? Okay, ma'am, this way, please. Is this alright, ma'am? Good evening, ma'am. I am a person from Manila. Your food attendant for this evening. Welcome back and serve you a small box. Yes, sir, ma'am. Yes, sir, you're welcome. You have a break, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you ready to take your order, ma'am? How about starting the wheel with the appetizer, ma'am? We have shrimp scampi, squid calamari, and our very own spicy gambas. May I bring you hot steaming afterwards, ma'am? Our soup for today is birria soup. Do you want to try? We are also featuring our nutritious green salad now. Amen. How about your entry, ma'am? May I suggest you our fish teriyaki salt, teriyaki fish steak. The fish is seasoned with salt and pepper added with grape sauce and wine. Garnish with basil and additional bits of olive oil. How about your main course, ma'am? Tonight, we're featuring our tender and juicy beef steak. We may suggest the best are selling more with the U.S. scallion steak. The meat is perfectly grilled at length, served with green pepper and mashed sauce. Okay, ma'am. How about complete your meal with the dessert? We have dessert, dead chocolate cake, red velvet, or banana turon with ice cream. We want to complete your meal with a good coffee, espresso latte, or cappuccino latte. Okay, ma'am, may I repeat your order, ma'am? One serving of slim scampi for appetizer, one serving of birria soup, one serving of Caesar salad with vinegar dressing, one serving of eating teriyaki fish steak, one serving of U.S. scallion steak, one serving of jet chocolate cake, and one serving of espresso coffee. Very creative like, ma'am. I'll come back in 15 minutes to serve your dish. Is it okay, ma'am? Can I get the menu, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. May I wash out the plate, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. I serve you the bread representative of the house, and it is the fresh roll with butter. Good evening, ma'am. I am Alfred. Good morning, your wine steward for this evening. May I present you our wine list, ma'am? May I suggest you your wine for your teriyaki fish steak, ma'am? For your teriyaki fish steak, I suggest the California white wine. And for your US current steak, may I suggest for the Redwood red wine.
I'll go for that wine steak.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, may I present to you the California white wine. It's very old. It came from 1980 with the alcohol content of 9% and its volume is 750 ml. May I open the bottle, ma'am? Here's the cork, ma'am, for non-verification. May serve with the drink, ma'am.
Oh, I like it.
May excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you the Redwood red wine. It's very old, with the year of 1960, with the alcohol content of 8% and the volume of 750 ml. May I open the bottle, ma'am? Here's the proof for the smell verification. May I serve you the drink, ma'am?
I like it.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me.
Pag dapat yung bagong
Excuse me, ma'am. May I bust up the wine glass, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve you the aperitif, the dry martini? Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve you the Riser, the spring champagne? Excuse me, ma'am. How was the food, ma'am? May I bust up the wine, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve you the soup, ma'am? Enjoy your soup, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. How was the food, ma'am? Thank you for your positive. May I bust up the plate, ma'am?
go.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve you the salad, ma'am? Please. The Caesar salad is really good. Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. How's the meal? Thank you for your positive feedback. May I bust up the plate, ma'am? California white wine. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. How was the food? Thank you for your feedback. May basa ka po na. Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve you the main course, ma'am? It is the U.S. Sharon Steak. Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve you the red wood red wine? Enjoy your meal. Excuse me, ma'am. How was the meal, ma'am? Thank you for your positive feedback, ma'am. May I wash out the plate, ma'am? Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. May I come out the table? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve you the dark chocolate cake? Enjoy your dessert, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I serve you the espresso coffee? Please be careful, ma'am. The coffee is hot. Excuse me, ma'am. May I wash out the plate, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
My bill, please.
A moment, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present in the bill, ma'am? Your payable account is 10,000 pesos. How will you pay it, ma'am?
I pay it in cash.
Okay, ma'am. So I received 10,000 pesos. Your amount is 9,950. I'll come back and bring you the change from my receipt. Then, excuse me, ma'am. Here is your change and receipt. How was the food, ambience, and service, ma'am?
The food is so delicious and the service is so good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your. Here's your receipt, ma'am, and change. Excuse me, ma'am. How was the food, ambience, and service, ma'am?
The food was so delicious, the ambience so good, then the service so good.
Thank you for your positive feedback, ma'am. See you soon and come and dine with us again.